Hey there, it's Colleen Flanagan, and I want to show you really quickly how you may be able to alleviate or completely get rid of your hip flexor pain. Hip flexor pain has an emotional aspect to it as well as a physical aspect. I recommend chiropractic. That's worked for me for my hip flexor pain for the most part, but there was still pain left, and I got rid of it by doing emotional release. Hips are about moving forward in life. And hip flexor pain can often be about feeling like your flexibility in life has been taken away, that you got so much to do, you're overwhelmed, and you just feel almost like collapsing, and it's just painful to go anywhere, to walk forward. The right side of your body, any kind of pain or dysfunction, is always about the logical things in life, about work, about your job, your self-employment, your income, your finances. Left side of your body is about love, relationships, family, friends that you love, things that you love to do. So when a family member, a friend, something you love to do, suddenly you're trying to move forward and it hurts so badly because you can't be flexible anymore, you can't get stuff done because suddenly you were thrust, like I was, into a whole lot of more responsibility that was very difficult to handle. My hip flexor on the left side just went berserk, and it was awful, the pain. But I cleared it out just by spinning my pendulum, and you can spin your necklace or your hand to the left and start talking about clearing it out. I now let go of my fears that the bad times will never end, that I can't be flexible anymore in my life because I have to take care of this loved one. And it's so difficult moving forward on my path. I had so many things I had planned to do this month, this week, this year, and now I got to put them all aside or work like 12, 15 hours a day just to get everything done on my end and for this loved one. I release my fear that I'm not safe because this pain is so awful. I release my fears about walking forward on my path with these loved one issues I have to manage and take care of because the loved one is not able to do it anymore on their own. I let go of my fear of failure to get everything done, my fear of failure to be able just to do whatever I want because of these pressing issues and matters I got to take care of, and it's affected my left side hip flexor, and it's just excruciating pain. As if my body is trying to help me out and say, I'll get you out of this. You don't have to do this stuff because you're in pain. Ha! Yeah, that might have worked in school, but it doesn't work as an adult. I let all this go now, and so it is. And then you can spin to the right. And that actually puts in positive affirmations or whatever you wish to happen. I now instill into my left hip the spirit of wellness, the spirit of well-being, 100% life force, 100% desire to heal, 100% complete and total alleviation of this hip flexor pain, this hip flexor condition. I choose health. I choose balance. I choose to know this is a temporary situation, and yes, it's lasting longer than I wanted it to. I just let all this go now, and so it is. I hope this made sense. Remember to take care of yourself. Always be looking for that mind-body-wisdom connection when you have ailments. And of course, always go to the doctor. Just use this information as a supplement to helping yourself heal and perhaps even rapidly helping the healing achieve better results in less time. You are a treasure. Please take good care of yourself. Peace out.